In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a database backup in Hostinger. Whether you're making adjustments, trying to recover lost data, or simply ensuring your files are in check, restoring your database is a highly useful skill. Let's break down the steps you'll need to follow, making sure you can master this process with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Hostinger homepage URL. This will lead you to the central hub where you'll access all your website management tools. Once there, it's time to dive deeper into the dashboard, which acts as your command center. You'll see all the websites associated with your account. This is where you manage the nitty-gritty details of your sites. Now, you're ready to access the file system of your particular website. Look for the Files section. Clicking on this will direct you to your site's file manager. Here is where you can nimbly manage your documents, but more importantly, it's where you'll find your database backups stored. In doing so, locate the Backups section. This particular feature is a lifesaver as it periodically saves versions of your database, allowing you to retrieve and restore them when needed. In this section, you should see various backups listed with dates and details. It provides you the security of reverting to a previous point in time if faced with unexpected changes or errors. The next step involves managing these backups. Look for the button labeled Manage Backups and give it a click. This option allows you to either retrieve a copy for safekeeping or initiate a full restoration process. Both are crucial in ensuring data integrity and safety. Finally, to restore your database, you'll want to hit the option that says Restore and Download. This initializes the restoration of your database to the selected backup version. It's a pivotal step where the system takes over and reverts to the chosen backup configuration. During this process, it's wise to ensure that there are no ongoing edits or changes on your site. This simple yet effective mechanism allows you to protect and manage your data diligently. Regularly backing up and knowing how to restore data can save you from potential headaches if faced with data loss or corruption. Hostinger has made this process straightforward providing a robust safety net as you manage your website. With this knowledge, you're well equipped to handle your site's backups confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.